Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to fix error script authorization failed. So when we trigger new app script, so we are facing error. So we are in Google Sheet. Now you see add trigger and then click on save. Now you see error script authorization failed. Please check your pop-up blocker setting and try again. So we are going to fix it. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Chrome. Now you see three dots, so click on it. Now you see multiple option and then you see settings, so click on it. So we are in setting and then on left side you see privacy and security, so click on it. And then you see again multiple option. Now you see site settings, so again click on it. So we are in site setting and then you see content and then you see pop-up and redirect, so click on it. If you want, you can add website manually. Now you see allow to send pop-up and use redirect, so you can add website here. And then you see default behavior, so we enable this option. Sites can send pop-up and use redirect, so we enable this option. Now go to Google Sheet again, cancel. So we are going to trigger again. So first refresh the page. So we are in apps script again and then you see view site information and then you see pop-ups and redirect enable, reset permission, allow default. Now you see reload this page to apply your updated setting, reload and then click on add trigger again, on edit and then click on save again. Now you see our issue is fixed, so you can choose an account, so click on it and then you see advanced, so click on it and then you see go to untitled project unsave, so click on it and then you see allow, so again click on it. Now you see trigger created. So in this way you can fix this issue. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.